Hi.
Stevenson! Who can tell me what 3 plus 3 is?
Everyone knows it's 6.
Barry, can you stand up, please? Can you tell me what 57 multiplied by 135 is? Okay. Who can?
7,695.
This is a scene from the movie Gifted. Mary, a math genius, solved the problem 57 multiplied by 135. How did she calculate so quickly, even with math calculation? Elsewhere in the movie, her uncle told the secret, Trachtenberg system. I'll tell you in detail how Mary calculated. Let's math travel. We must first define the multiplication, which is different from usual multiplication. We will call this multiplication circle multiplication and mark it like this. The circle multiplication is calculated as follows. Based on the symbol, the inner terms are multiplied by the inner terms, and the outer terms are multiplied by the outer terms, and then the values are added. 3-digit circle multiplication is also possible like this. You know, right? Now, it's really 57 times 135. Here is the algorithm that solves the problem. This is a slightly modified version of a known method for consistency. Since we are multiplying 3 digits, we add 2 zeros before and after 57. Then 57 becomes like this. Multiply this number by 135 and apply the previously defined circle multiplication one by one as follows. The first is this, next is this, then this, and last is this. Let's calculate each value. You can find the answer using these values. The value of A, 35, is the 1st digit of the answer. The real 1st digit is 5. And we carry over 3 to the 10th place. The value of B, 46, is the 10th digit. And there is a carryover of 3 from the 1st digit. Adding them, the real 10th digit is 9. We carry over 4 to the 100th place. The value of C, 22, is the 100th digit. And there is a carryover of 4 from the 10th place. Adding them, the real 100th digit is 6. We carry over 2 to the 1000th place. The value of D, 5, is the 1000th digit. And there is carryover of 2 from the 100th place. Adding them, the real 1000th digit is 7. So the answer is 7,695. It's the same value that Mary proudly told the teacher. Now, let's look at the principle. If you calculate 57 times 135 in the usual way, you get this. The circled number means that the number has been carried over. If the empty space is marked as 0, it changes like this. The process of finding 5 is 35 plus 0 plus 0, same as circle multiplication A. The process of finding 9 is 25 plus 21 plus 0, same as B. The process of finding 6 is 0 plus 15 plus 7, same as C. The process of finding 7 is 0 plus 0 plus 5, which is the same as D. Trachtenberg multiplication is a different version of usual multiplication. The fundamental principle is the same. However, it is a process of calculating the answer from the 1st digit to the 1000th digit step by step at a time. To calculate it that way, we first added 2 zeros before and after 57. When multiplying an n-digit number, add n-1 zeros before and after the number being multiplied. And then we do circle multiplication. This multiplication method is only a part of the Trachtenberg system. Trachtenberg was a Ukrainian mathematician. He graduated first in his class from the St. Petersburg Engineering Institute. He was very smart. He was imprisoned in a Nazi concentration camp during World War II. There, he developed his own method of math calculation because he couldn't use the tools like pen and paper. That calculation method is called the Trachtenberg system. Trachtenberg is said to have achieved great results by actually applying this method to students. What do you think of the Trachtenberg system? Not as easy as you expected? We move on believing that it's not because we are not smart, but because we are not used to it. Instead, show sincere respect to Trachtenberg. Thank you. Be back.